Hey guys, thanks for watching this video and thanks for exploring the book of double stops. I think it's a really good idea to start exploring double stops on violin earlier and don't put off until later, because there's really no point in doing that and little value in waiting. The sooner you start, the better, I think. So thanks for doing this. Thanks for trying. I hope you're enjoying the book, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.